Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at the top 3 apps and websites that every swing trader needs to have on their phone. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys are new to the channel, we just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stocks, my strategy, the psychology of a trader, everything you must know about swing trading all in one, all inside that course. And on top of it, you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll put it down below. But let's dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. All right, so this is actually a very, very common question that I get asked is, Carter, what is on your phone as a full-time swing trader? So I wanted to make a video really explaining what's on my phone and honestly all the things that I would recommend having. So let's dive into the first app. All right, so app number 1 on my phone is obviously my broker. The broker I use for 99% of my swing trades is Moomoo. The reason I love Moomoo is they have great charting, they have great scanners, AI monitors, so it will monitor stocks in your watch list and in the entire stock market. So if one stock starts going up and you want to hop in on that, you get notified and you can make some trades on it. And other things that they have are very, very awesome indicators and a variety of other things. But I definitely think it's super, super important to know that Moomoo does have a paper trading account where you guys can practice simulated trades to develop that strategy and practice, just because swing trading is a career and you have to treat it like one. And with that being said, you got to put in the time for education, working on your strategy, your entries, your exits, all that stuff is very, very important to utilize risk management and make money swing trading. Now, the only downside with Moomoo is there is no IRA accounts, which in the grand scheme of things isn't that big of a deal because this is more of a trading platform rather than a long-term investing platform. So for me, not a big deal, but for maybe some of you that want a retirement account, there's better options. Also, if you guys want to sign up for any of these apps, I'll put them down below. All right, moving on to app number 2. App number 2 is a stock scanner that I absolutely love. This one here is actually just called Stock Scanner. It's super cool, but the reason why I love it is because it's actually very similar to Finvest, which Finvest is a website that's a stock scanner. It's one of the more popular ways that I actually look for stocks. It's completely free, and they do have premium versions, but this one here is completely free as well. The reason I love this one is you can monitor stocks, you can create custom watch lists, you can create custom scanners, you can create watch lists, and a variety of other things. And they do have a premium version where you guys can get like notifications, you guys can get alerts on when to buy and sell, and that starts out at $50 per month. So for me, I definitely think it's better suited to just to have the free version that works just fine. This app is really cool because it's 100% designed for traders and people that are constantly looking for opportunity in the market. And with that being said, it's super easy to use. You just put in criteria and they do have custom watch lists for you. So if you don't know what you're doing, they got some. The only downside when it comes to this one is it constantly asks you to upgrade to that $49 or $50 a month. And honestly, it gets extremely annoying, but you just gotta keep clicking cancel and just move on. But this one here is really cool and I would recommend it on your phone. Moving on to the last and final app, app number 3. Before we jump into that, hit that like button and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Do it right now. Do it right now. All right, let's move on to app number 3. App number 3 for me, now that we kind of have a broker that offers paper trading and charting, now that we have a good stock scanner, for me, I definitely think if you're gonna be a swing trader or even an investor on your phone, you're gonna need markets. You're gonna need market news. This is super important because you wanna stay up to date on what's going on with the stocks maybe you're investing in or trading. So the app that I love is CNBC. It's super easy to use. They constantly have updated news. They have stocks that maybe are in your watch list that they'll send you notifications about them. So you can constantly stay in the know about your stocks. Obviously, they do have a free version and they do have a premium version. I've always used the free version and it does just fine. But I definitely think this is super important for any type of trader or even a long-term investor. You need to know as much as possible with your trades or even with your investments. And if you're not in the know, maybe something's going on with the stock. Maybe they're releasing an earnings report that's going bad and the stock's selling off, or doing good things and the stock's going up. It's always smart to be in the know with your companies. But overall, all of these apps are absolutely fantastic, and I would highly recommend every single one of them on your phone. I'll put links to them down below so you guys can sign up. But don't forget to check out my swing trading course, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.